How to accept friend request on WeChat. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on this video we will learn how we can accept friend request on WeChat. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, you have to open up WeChat in your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. So after you open up WeChat, navigate to the bottom of the interface. From the options available, head over to contact. So under contacts, again there is an option as new friends at the top. So tap on new friends. After that, you will find your friend request if you have any on your account. From there, you have to select the friend that you would like to accept the friend request from. Once you tap on the friend name, on the next interface you will have an option to accept it. Simply tap on accept, then tap on done. With that, now you are friends with the contact on WeChat. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.